It's been a long road, getting from there to here. It's been a long time, but my time is finally near. And I will see my dream come alive at last. I will touch the sky, and they're not gonna hold me down no more.
Hey guys, I went out with the club yesterday, and to be honest it was a terrible field. We didn't find anything, so I've come to a local playing field. As you can see, looks quite promising. I've never actually tried it, it's quite local to me. I've always fancied having a go, so let's see. Okay guys, I've had my first find after about 2 minutes literally. Quick note about when you're digging on pasture and things like that, always make sure you've got a carrier bag with you, and put your spoil straight onto the carrier bag, leave a nice plug to put straight back in the hole, and it'll look all nice and neat, and there won't be any issues with people getting worried about holes being left. Now then, I've had my first find, so if we go over to the spoil here, going nice and close, we can see we have a coin. I don't know what it is yet, but let's have a little look. And it is looking like a halfpenny. Little bit grotty, but it's broken my dry spell of old coinage, so I'm happy about that. I'll get back to you with anything else I find. People, this is strange. I've had 3 different holes over the last few minutes and dug out 3 different types of buckle. Look at this. They all look pretty old. Massive one. That's got to be a horse brass or horse buckle or something. That one's got an old belt buckle there as well. But 3 holes and 3 buckles. You wouldn't believe it, would you? I love this hobby. Hey people, it's me again. This is getting too weird. This is so strange. I've just dug another hole after that 3rd buckle and pulled out either a massive buckle or it's a stirrup. I mean, look at the size of this thing. I don't know what's going on here, but I'm going to call it a hoard of buckles so far. Right, well, yesterday I went out and tried a new park site that I've been looking at, and found a bit of a mystery really, because I started pulling up buckles and something that looks possibly like a horse stirrup. I can't help but wonder whether maybe it's been some sort of horse fair or even possibly farmland in the past or something. But here's the take for yesterday. We've got a couple of old coins there. We've got 1908 George halfpenny and 1956 Elizabeth shilling, and of course these strange buckles that just kept popping up really. The big one here I think just possibly might be a stirrup. I'm going to have to clean it up and find out. And yet another buckle. I'll have to do a little bit of research I think into the area and find out what has been there in the past, because it's very unusual.